Ho, 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 it's the holiday season, and it's Bill, and this is Creative License. Thanks again for being kind to all of my sponsors, and thanks for doing this. You know, every week you come and watch my little babbling, and I really appreciate it. It's the holiday season. It's the holiday season. And I know a lot of you are leaning into your extra money that you've got in corporate stuff, and you got your holiday parties, and you're getting on Black Friday sales. Some of them are even still going on. New gear and new stuff, and that's good, right? I guess I think if you take on the holiday season and what it's really about, I think that for no money at all, you can get the best thing to help your business. At the end of every one of the walks that I do, and I do a walk every day for the last 2,000 and some years, or 2,000 and some days rather, I always end it with share peace, make love, create joy. And I say those three things because those are the three things I think that can have the biggest impact on your life and on the life of your clients. I swear, I don't think I do a whole lot different stuff than most people do. Okay, sure, I'm a performer first and a DJ second, and maybe that's one of the things that sets me apart. But if you share peace, then for you and for the people around you and for your clients, you're finding a way to give them peace. Peace of mind, which is what they're really looking for, right? Share peace. When I say make love, I mean, if you want to go out and find somebody and make some love and be all shagadelic, go right ahead. But making love is, you need to make love so that you can give it, right? So you can share and love another human being. That will make your life better. That'll make those people's lives better. And if you take on your clients for the work that you're doing, take on your clients like you love them, or actually that you actually love them, the work that you will do for the people that you serve will be extraordinary. Because what wouldn't you do? Where would you not go? What thing would you not make sure happens to be sure that that person has a great event because you love them, right? We love the people in our lives, and all kinds of amazing things we'll do. And create joy. I mean, isn't that what we do? Isn't that what we do? We create joy for ourselves because we love our job. We create joy for the people that are dancing because they love the music and they want to dance. And these people are putting together celebrations of joy, right? And they're hoping they will have an evening filled with joy and love. Your entire job is to create that for them. And you do it every day, right? But a lot of people don't lean into it. A lot of people don't lean into the idea that that's what they do, right? They share peace. They make love. They create joy. That's the job. You just do it with speakers. I know plumbers that can share peace, make love, and create joy. Because that's how they make people feel. That's the work that they do for them. Do you do that? Or are you creating those things just for you? And you don't have to answer me, right? But you should answer yourself. Because within that, peace, love, and joy is the holiday season, right? That's what we try to push forward every single year. Imagine now, if you push that forward this year during the holiday season, but then for the entire year, for the rest of your life, the difference that can be made in your heart, in your mind, and for the people that you serve. I hope you have the happiest of holidays. I hope you have the merriest Christmas.